Hi my loves, this is Yasha, and in today's video I would love to show you my skincare routine that I usually do follow before going to sleep and before a full glam look. I've already washed my face with a face wash and face scrub, but it's my personal opinion to mix the scrub with a face wash for an amazing and smooth glowy looking skin. But for now I'm taking this amount of moisturizer. You can use your regular moisturizer. So I'm taking this cream. It's a skin cream moisturizer with jojoba oil and almond oil. Anyways, and I'm taking this product from Lotus. This is an amazing product for combination and normal to dry skin. But if you are having an oily skin, then I don't think so this will work for you. So just one pump, this amount, and just mix this two with each other. And then I'm mixing this tea tree oil from Nika Cosmetics. This is an amazing magical oil for the people who are having acne problems and any blemishes and all that stuff. So I'm just taking 2 drops and I'm mixing all this together like this. And after mixing this, it turns into a creamy and watery texture. And then I apply it where I'm having my acne marks. So this is how I applied it onto my skin, and I'm sure that this will definitely gonna vanish my acne problems and all this blemishes in 1 or 2 days, I believe, because I know this is a magical oil. And I would definitely recommend this to all of you guys because this will help everyone. I mean, nobody claims that this won't help for them. So I'm applying it just the areas where I'm having my acne problem. Yeah, I know I should have removed my lipstick before doing all this. And then I'm taking again one pump, I mean half pump for each of my cheeks, like this. And this is how you're going to blend it onto your skin. Don't move your hand, just blend how you blend your foundation to see that my face is glowing, and it's just a life result. After this I take some toner. I know toner is supposed to apply before doing all this thing, but I usually do this after doing my skincare routine, and this is the last step. No, this is not the last step. So this is the toner and I apply this. Okay, one more. So yeah, and I'm 21 years old and I applied so much concealer under my eyes. So yeah, I think I have some fine lines under my eyes. So for this I use this cream from O3 Professional. This is an amazing cream for those people who are having some dark circles, wrinkles and fine lines problem under their eyes. And so I'm taking this in a very light amount, like this much, and I'm applying this under my eyes. This never burns my under eyes and this feels so smooth. And if you apply this for like 1 week or 2 week, you can definitely see the result. It's an amazing cream, and this is how you should apply under your eyes. Yeah, so this is how I care my skin before going to bed. So this is what I usually do before going to bed, and this will definitely help you to smoothen your skin, to remove your acne blemishes and all fine lines, wrinkle and dark circle problems, and your skin will definitely glow like this, like it's a natural glow. And you can definitely use this skincare routine before doing a full glam look, like dewy or natural look. And yeah, this is what my skin is looking right now in up close. And yeah, I'm not using any filter, by the way. And I hope you guys like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.